What's up, everybody? So this is my current project. I bought this. When I bought it, it was they didn't look like this. So this is my Sportback that I've did a little bit of touches, my own little touches. Got some OZ wheel racing. Had it bronze. It used to be black, not black, but it didn't quite turn out okay. So this is the Sportback that I've been working on. OEM visor with some carbon wrap, and I wrapped the top because what happened was it was fading. So instead of me painting it, I got a new wrap. I mean, I wrapped it. Also put a rear backup camera, and then head unit. It's pretty all right. Some pillows in there in my son's seat. So this is a 2010 Sportback with a 26,000 miles when I got it. Has a little paddle shifter I don't really use. It's for my daily beater. I actually changed this to a razo shift knob. Pulled out the old one and custom made my own stock. I mean the way I placed it. So Sportback, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. Drives well. It's very torquey. I had a dual exhaust. This is from a Lancer Evo 10 that I put on. I had it welded, had it custom made, but it does fit. It's the same, you know, as far as where you placed it, it fits. But I had it custom made. So anyway, also I forgot to add, this car is actually lowered on Eibachs, 1.5 in the rear, 1.7 in the front. So it has a nice drop on it.